name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks on how to install a 3-inch Cognito lift kit on this 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. I talked to my mechanics, I talked to my lead tech, and this is what he said. He truly did say, follow the instructions. The Cognito lift kit instructions from Cognito, they're perfect. It's everything that you need to know. Now, a couple tips and tricks that we have for you. The first one is to do some torque markings. What this is taking a paint pen and marking every single bolt, every single nut that you touch. That way in the future, if you feel like something may be loose, something may be moving, you can crawl underneath your truck and visually inspect and see, did this bolt, did this nut move, and you'll know whether it's tight or loose. We do this on every single build of ours. This truck, every single nut, every single bolt that we touch, got a torque marking. That's our biggest tip, our biggest trick for you. With that being said, if you have any questions on how we fit these 35-inch tall tires on the factory 20-inch wheels with keeping the bumpers and the fenders looking like this, go watch our Will It Fit video. We would love to show you what you need to do in order to make these 35s fit on your vehicle. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. Thanks for watching, and if there's any way that we can serve you, please do not hesitate to call us. 833-268-2577. We would love to dream up your build, talk you through your build, help you with your build. That's what we're here for. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.